Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best office chairs you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Colamy 5188 is a thoughtfully designed seating solution that prioritizes comfort and productivity. Its breathable high-elasticity mesh material ensures durability and airflow, aligning with the spine to reduce cervical and lumbar strain. Key features include a widened adjustable headrest, patented 3D armrests, dynamic lumbar support that adapts to weight and posture, and back height adjustability for personalized comfort. The chair supports a 130 degrees tilt lock with adjustable tension and seat height, while a hidden footrest enhances relaxation. With a 300-pound weight capacity, this versatile chair is ideal for extended use in home or office settings. The Steelcase Series 1 is a high-performance ergonomic chair designed to enhance comfort, support, and productivity. Key features include live back technology, which adapts to the user's spine for dynamic support, and adjustable lumbar support to promote healthy posture. The chair offers extensive customization with 4D adjustable armrests, seat height and depth adjustments, and 2 backrest options, a flexible 3D micro knit or a geometric airbag. Additional features like weight-activated recline, adaptive bolstering, and flexible seat edges provide personalized comfort. Its minimalist design, durable construction, and diverse color options make it ideal for modern offices and home workspaces. The Hbada E3 Pro is a premium seating solution designed to enhance comfort and support during extended desk work. Key features include a T-shaped support system targeting the neck, waist, and shoulders, a 3-zone elastic lumbar system with 8-way adjustments, and a 4D adjustable headrest for tailored neck and head support. Its 6D armrests and breathable mesh backrests ensure customizable comfort and cooling airflow. The chair boasts an auto-gravity sensing chassis, a 140 degrees reclining feature, and durable construction supporting up to 300 pounds. Suitable for office, gaming, and relaxation, it is ideal for professionals and gamers alike. The Sihoo M57 is an affordable ergonomic seating solution designed for comfort and support during extended periods of sitting. It features a breathable mesh design to promote airflow, adjustable lumbar support for personalized lower back alignment, and 3D armrests for optimal arm and shoulder support. The chair's integrated S-shaped backrest mimics the natural curve of the spine, while the height-adjustable headrest provides neck support for users of various heights. With a reclining mechanism of up to 126 degrees and a weight capacity of 330 pounds, the Sihoo M57 offers durability, enhanced posture, and improved comfort for office use. The Branch Verve chair is a stylish and ergonomic office chair designed to balance comfort, functionality, and modern aesthetics. Its V-shaped suspended back with breathable 3D knit fabric provides excellent lumbar support, promoting proper posture during long work hours. With 6 adjustment points, including height, tilt tension, seat depth, lumbar support, and armrest height, the chair offers personalized comfort. The high-density foam cushion ensures durability and firm support, while the scratch-proof casters and sturdy aluminum base provide lasting stability. With a weight capacity of 275 pounds and vibrant color options, the Verve chair combines sleek design and performance for home offices.